Morning. Today let's do the beautiful Bangalorean pork sausage. You remember Bangalore, we used to get this lovely pork sausage, but this is with a Manglorean twist. So for that I have 500 grams of pork mince, I've got 50 grams of cheddar cheese chop, I've got half an onion chop, coriander leaves, a handful with a little bit of mint leaves. I've got a homemade goan sausage, okay, which I will use, and I've got 1.5 teaspoon of crushed pepper, half a teaspoon of salt because I have got salt in the cheddar cheese. Going to use some mixed herbs, lemon juice, and I've got a lovely intestine, the casing for the sausage. So let's do the Bangalorean pork sausage with the Manglorean twist. I forget, I will add 3 green chilies. Okay, this is for the spice, okay, to get it nicely spiced and hot. Okay, just 3, not too much, not too much, otherwise it's going to be very spicy. Easy method, easy sausage. Everybody will love this beautiful pork sausage cheesy. Okay, so here we go. I will cut this lovely homemade goan sausage. You see, oh my god, this is delicious, eh? So we will chop all this and put it with the mince mix. Alright, beautiful, eh? Beautiful homemade pork sausage, 50% fat, 50% meat, all nicely marinated in nice red chili powders, rice wine vinegar, and then we cured it, we dried it in the sun for 4 to 5 days, and now we'll chop them and add this for the beautiful pork cheesy sausage. Alright, okay, so let's quickly add all the ingredients together. The beautiful pork, the lovely green chilies, the beautiful delicious coriander and a little bit of mint leaves, the lovely chopped onions, and the lovely cheddar cheese, and also we'll put the mixed herbs. Okay, let's put some mixed herbs, and finally we will drop in the lemon juice and the beautiful lemon juice for the savory taste, right? And the lovely crushed pepper and salt. Okay, let's mix all together. Okay, that way, mix all together. So it's all mixed and ready, and we will keep it to rest for say around 15-20 minutes. Make sure the casing, you tie a knot here, right? Tie a knot here, and then you start using the funnel, pushing it in, and then slowly managing to get the beautiful sausage. All right, so the sausages are ready, and it's time to rest this bad boy in the fridge for a few hours. We can keep it in the fridge for say around 4 to 5 hours, and then we will fry them, shallow fry them in lovely beautiful cooking oil or probably olive oil, eh? There you go. Rest for maybe 5 hours. So the moment of truth. Let's now fry the sausages with olive oil. Okay. So here we go, one by one. Okay. We will fry maybe 4 for now, not too much. The rest we will fry after. Okay, one by one. There you go. Okay, let's now close it for some time until golden brown. After 2 minutes, very low flame. Let's watch it. Voila. Voila. Beautiful pork sausage. There you go. The beautiful Manglorean Pork Sausage with a lovely Manglorean twist. So guys, enjoy this lovely sausage. Voila! The truth. Yeah. See that one? Beautiful, right? Cheers guys, enjoy.